In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert page numbers in Microsoft Excel 2026. If you've ever printed a long worksheet and struggled to keep pages in order, adding page numbers is the simplest fix. We'll walk through the exact workflow so your pages number themselves automatically when you print or export to PDF. Start by opening the Excel app and loading the worksheet you want to number. Make sure the sheet you intend to print is active. It's a good idea to save your file before making layout changes, especially if you're preparing a final report. Next, move into a view that's designed for printing. Go to the View tab on the ribbon and choose Page Layout. This switches the sheet into a print-focused view where you can clearly see page boundaries, margins, and the header and footer areas. You'll notice three boxes at the top and bottom of each page, left, center, and right. These are your header and footer sections. Click directly in the header or footer section where you want the page number to appear. Most people place page numbers in the bottom center, but left or right is perfectly fine if it fits your document style. Be sure you're clicking inside the header or footer box and not in a worksheet cell. You'll know you're in the right place when the ribbon changes. Once your cursor is in the desired header or footer box, look for the header and footer tab that appears on the ribbon. Click page number. Excel inserts a placeholder code that looks like ampersand bracket page bracket. That code represents the current page number and will update automatically on every page. If you'd like, you can type a label before it, such as page followed by a space, so it reads more clearly. For multi-page documents, a helpful touch is adding a space, the word of, another space, and then the total pages code, so it reads like page current of total. You won't see the actual numbers until you click away or preview the printout, which is normal. When you're done, return to your regular editing environment, go back to the View tab and switch to normal. Your spreadsheet looks the same as before, but the page numbers are now embedded and will appear on printouts and PDFs. If you want to confirm, open Print Preview to see exactly how the numbering looks. That's it. Your worksheet now numbers itself reliably, making printed reports easy to follow and more professional.